go. Hey, hey guys, it's me. Today, oh my god. Today, I'm making 3, 2, 1. In my friend. Yes. Chat. OMG. OMG. Somebody get myself a cookie. The party will do it. Cookie. Cookie. Go catch it! No. Another cookie. What should I call this? This video shall be called my epic build with random people. That's obviously the name right now. Oh my god. Move! Now, the poaching is over. Really, if you watch this shot, there will be a fight. Oh god. No. No. That's my friend. She's my friend. I'm bored. Yeah, it's a couple of seconds. Move your frick. Lol. Elephants. Elephants. I don't know. Okay, guys. Don't sub people that are advertising on this unless the videos are like ASAP Jones. If you don't know who ASAP Jones is, then you're a newbie. Anyway, yeah. My cast is off right now. I actually had it for an extra 2 weeks because I had a choir audition. Quacker. There you ready, quacker. Quacker. Papa bear. But pet pet. That potato. Why do people? Whenever you guys can answer this, if anyone's actually watching this, I'm one of the stupid YouTubers that just make videos. Whatever. I'm shucking my hand in the air right now. But blank on words. If anyone is actually watching this, can someone please, please, someone can answer it. I will seriously try and make a video with you. Anyway, this is really good with everyone. I'm making it pretty good. There. Oh God, I'm shy. Whale voice. Whale voice heart attack. But. Hopefully I don't get it. Oh! You're so cute. I don't like today. I wanted to just like poke random music. I'm covering up my screen right now. Is anyone doing this screen comp? Yes! Glowstone! That's kind of like my screen. Has more. Yeah, it didn't suck. Death is more. I don't know what I'm doing. You go on video cam. I forgot to turn off video cam, I think. Alright, this is a video of me building crap. One more of me building crap. Go on buildingcrap.com. PPA. Here. But that is done. god, this is the best disco you ever. I'm gonna put um uh 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 Bob. There's a bar, I think. Don't mix it up. I don't know. My work is mental. You wanna apologize? You don't love it. Thumbs up. Let's bro. Oliver. No. Oh, no. Same as one. Whatever. I mean, I got. What deals are meeting? Boova. Yeah, I can see the time now. It's 14. And just so start saying that, you can't fucking. I'm gonna help them. What? Yeah! Sorry. What? Bread. Hard cash. Christmas cash. Oh, I'm rich. Don't need no cell phone. You call me. I was gonna whisper to myself. Poor? Aw, rapid! Epic! Bah!